Hello everyone. In this video we're going to see about the Mendeley software, which is going to help you in the reference part of your research. So in literature review also you had to cite, and you need to bring the same information in your bibliography. That takes long time when you are doing manually. See here in the reference in your Word document, you type your literature review, you put your own words doing some research on related topics, and then you started typing each and every citation, means typing on your own, managing on your own all the sources in the APA format. You need to type it and then give enter, and then you need to do each and every process of this particular citation. But with the help of Mendeley software, it will become very easy. How it becomes very easy? So you just need to go Google, type Mendeley, choose this website or the download. When you choose that, you will get this window. Here you have download Mendeley desktop for Windows 7 or 8.1 or 10. Any of the version will work. So you just need to select this download Mendeley desktop for Windows. Then you will get this. So you need to save wherever you want. I just go here, downloads, and then give save Mendeley. So it gets saved. So once it download, click on it, it will open one particular window. That window you need to install. So it will be in exe format. You need to give install, just give S. So when you just give X, you will get this. You just choose next, I agree, next, save it on the desktop. So once you give install, you will find it here. You just need to give double click on that, you will get this. So if you have account already, you can just sign in, otherwise you can create your own account. So when you sign in, you will find it this. So here you can just click and drop the new files. So you can find here the new files, add new files. You can just give add new file or the folder. Any file or the folder which you have saved in your system, that you can upload it here. So just give open. I'm saving all my PhD work, my paper. So I'm just uploading one of my paper here. Just click on it. Any file. See, it is in PDF file, so I'm just uploading it. So when it get uploaded, you'll find that here in the recent, yes, it got downloaded. So recently added, it got downloaded. So once it is done, I'm just going to my Word document, type read, understand the concept of the paper which I have downloaded, and writing my own words according to the paper which I'm going to write on my topic. So once it is done, I need to cite that particular paper. How I cite that paper? Here you have insert, here you have manage. So I have to first connect to my Mendeley software. So when I have Mendeley desktop, it will be easy. Here you have tool, and then install MS Word plugin. So install MS Word plugin is currently running. So I have to first close the window of the Word document and then do plugin. It will get connected to my Word document. Now it get connected automatically. So here you have plugin, install, just give OK. It will get connected. Now I'm going back to my Word document, opening that Word document. Opening my saved file, and then go reference. Here I find the insert citation. Without even the blank file also I can see. Even in the blank file also you can find the same. So in reference you will get that. See, here in reference you get that. Okay, so once it is done, You just need to keep the cursor where you want to insert the citation. Just give insert citation, you will find this. Go to Mendeley. So when you just give go to Mendeley, it will choose. So just choose go to Mendeley and choose this particular file, and you will find this here cite. So so then you just give the cite option, you will find that information, means that particular citation you will find that in APA format which you have selected. APA 6th edition I have selected. So here if you go directly to the Mendeley software which is on your desktop, if you go here, it should be installed. So here it is showing uninstall, it means already installed. So if you choose this file, you will not find that citation. But if you come from this, if you go from this reference, insert citation, and go to Mendeley, only then you will find that cite option. You choose any of the recent read which you have already uploaded and then give cite. You will find that cite here. And then read another paper, insert, then choose cite. You will get that cite option. So similarly, you be doing that. Insert, go to Mendeley, another paper, only then I'll get the cite. If I just choose from the word from the desktop, I will not find that cite option even if I choose that file. But I need to go from the Word document only. Word document, insert cite, only then I'll get that cite option. So just choose, select, enter, and I am just writing reference here and then give enter. This I'm going to do it here. In one click I will get the bibliography, reference or bibliography, you can name it. I'm just going to get all the sites which I have referred, papers related to my topic, and give insert bibliography. In one click I'll get all the papers which I have referred. So all the paper, if I rev and all the papers which I referred, if I want to get it in one click, I just need to see here in this you have 4. So 2 times I have used the same. It means I'll get only one site. Okay, so one reference. So if you want to make this in common, see here it is in cap, it is in small letter and all this, you need to edit the file here in the Mendeley itself. In Mendeley, when you're choosing it here, you'll find in the small document, show document details. In this only you can do the editing part. So this is the type of paper. If you find any editing here, if you want to do any editing part here, you can do that as well. So you can find this Accenture. This is not a paper. So what you can do is just a journal, article, or web page. So you can just change that and then edit accordingly. So not only that, see, instead of saving in your Word document or the PDF document in your laptop and then keep referring to it, it will be easy for you when you are saving all the PDF files in your desktop. Especially Mendeley will help you out very easily. You can save it. See here, each and every folder I have saved it. So each and every folder which I saved, similar to the Explorer, I'm saving it here also. So similar to the Explorer, I'm saving it here also. But in this, it will help me out in searching that particular word also. You can just search, for example, learning. I will get all the topics, all the paper which has the term learning. If I want entrepreneur, in only in case if you have uploaded the file in this Mendeley software. Okay, so if I want to find entrepreneur, then I will get this paper related to entrepreneur. Then you have to be very careful when you're searching. See here, it is search. This search result is only from e-learning. So you need to do all documents and then give that search enter. You will find all the PDF files which you are searching for. Then you can give star mark and then save that in your favorite which is related to your topic. So when you're choosing it, you can also have, you can see here the journal, name of the journal, and the year and the issue page, all these things. If you don't find, then you just need to click, select, choose, and then when you're reading you find the topic which is given here is not the same here. Maybe some technical error when you are uploading, or the PDF file which you uploaded is not in the format which it can extract the information. So you have, sometimes you need to do it manually, but when you are using it in a Word document, when you're especially when you cite in a Word document, it will be easy for you guys to just get the information in one click. So you need to see whether it is right when you're reading. When you're reading this paper, you just need to check whether it is a volume, issue, page number, or which journal it is being published. Everything you need to check. If you want abstract also, you can save it. And you can also tag. Say example is the questionnaire. I have just tagged here as a questionnaire because for me I just need to see which content is helping me for the abstract, which content is helping me for analysis, which content is helping me for the case study or digital platform. You have to make sure that you are choosing it all documents, only then you will get all the files which you have tagged. Okay, then it is helping me for finance or the literature review or model or motivation or for my PhD or for the presentation, means PPT presentation. When I'm preparing, from this I can take the content, means I can rewrite my content on my own. And from this is just going to be a supporting document and related paper for my project, or methodology, only research methodology I'm choosing, or status of a woman, or the synopsis of my thesis, that is helping me for the synopsis part. So likewise I can use the tag separately for each and every. So tag is going to help me out like that. Okay, so all document. So likewise I can tag for many also. So you can also store the URL if you are saving from the web. Okay, if you're choosing from, if you're saving the document from the web page, and if you want to make the URL saved here, you can also save the URL. And if you want the note of a particular document, I choose this, and then I can also make a note, means I'm reading this particular PDF. I need to have a note, means I just need to know which particular word or the paragraph or any important point. I can have a note here. If I want to delete, I can also delete it. If I want to make a note, I can also make a note. So this is going to help me in different colors also. Not only that, you can also just choose a note here and paste it here and type whatever you want, helpful, or you want to make a statement, healthy financial institution, whatever you want to make a note, you can keep here in us and it will be saved. So this how it is. Okay, just in one click you will get all the reference. If you have properly cite, and you have to cite APA format, APA 6th edition format only. So that's all about the Mendeley software. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment if you like it, and if you have any queries, please do mention in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.